Hi, welcome back to Savor the Goods at Home. This is Ruthie Landelius with Black Fig Food, and for today's bite-sized tip, I'm going to show you how to cut an onion. Before we get started on slicing up this bad boy, I did want to talk to you a little bit about the onion. The older an onion is, the more pungent the flavor is, so what you'll want to do is remove the first 2 layers of the onion before you start slicing it up. To get started on slicing the onion, you'll want to cut off the side that is not the root. You'll want to keep that intact. And then we're going to slice it in half. And this is the part where I'm going to remove the first 2 layers. And we're not going to waste it. We're going to add this to a pot and make some vegetable stock. You'll want to carefully slice into the onion all across. Then you'll flip it. Go along the side with your knife and cut straight across. And then slowly slice them into small dice. And there you have it. Finely diced onion. And that is your bite-sized tip for today. Thank you again for watching, and for more great content, please check out your Panhandle PBS station and check me out at blackfigfood.com.